would do anything for you. I would do anything for
Welcome to Manuela's Hair Studio. We undertake pedicure, manicure, facial, eyelashes, acrylic nails, tattoo, perm cutting, waxing, eyebrow, weave-on, middle pattern, side pattern, closing pattern, wig cap. We also sell all kinds of wigs, perming products, and all kinds of spray. We are located at Santas Runabout, opposite Spice, near the Gulf Filling Station. Telephone 0244 376158 or 050 41 5488.
Manuela Hair Studio.